Good morning, good morning. How you guys doing today? Glad to have you with me on this Tuesday morning. And since it's our first session of the week, I thought it'd be a good idea just to take a look at the overall market in general, take a look at some of the headlines, see what's being talked about. We'll take a quick look at the stock market indexes as well, and just get a general overall feel for what's happening in the markets this morning, and put you on a good path of understanding what is likely going to be unfolding in the weeks to come. So let's start by hitting the like button if you can on this video. That would be appreciated, and we'll slowly get into it. As you can see, I've got Yahoo Finance, one of the pages that I like. Been using them for a long time, and they just came out with this really nice layout, which is quite impressive and nice to look at. So just looking at this page and looking at some of the headlines, stock market today, S&P 500, NASDAQ hover near record highs ahead of retail sales data. So yes, we've been talking about this for some time now. We have the market making all-time highs. Price retraced to areas of buying by the institutions. And this is what we were pointing out to members when price was down here. Okay, I drew these arrows at the time. I said this is what we are expecting from price, is more highs. So if there's any stocks that are have been doing well that you're looking to accumulate, I said now's the time to accumulate those stocks, because the market is likely going to continue going higher from these lows. And so let's add on. So this is what's been taking place. All right. You can see with the S&P, it's full throttle to the upside. NASDAQ, it's full throttle to the upside. All right. Again, buying was taking place here, and then buying here. Okay. This is the latest area of buying that took place on the daily chart. And there's even more that's coming in. So NASDAQ's looking strong. S&P is looking strong. The only one that looks different is the Dow Jones, because it was responding to some supply that we had up here on the charts. And as you can see, price has dropped. But look where it also reacted from. Okay. So we have demand here. So we have the pressure of short-term demand versus the pressure of medium-term supply. So price is going to be in a range now until one of these break through. If that breaks through, market drops further. This area breaks through, we start heading up to all-time highs. Okay? That's the gist of the markets right at this point. U.S. stock futures steady as European shares rebound. Nvidia insiders cash in on rally as share sales top 700 million. Yeah, so I was looking at Nvidia just recently, and I see that their shares split, so all my analysis has to be adjusted. I reached out to TradingView to see if there's anything they could do about this, because it's kind of ridiculous to have to adjust your analysis. Like I did really good analysis here, and then all of a sudden it's all worthless. And I said, isn't there any way that the analysis can adjust when there's a split? And they said, no, not at this time. We don't have anything like that. But, you know, it's something that we would put in for future consideration. So, okay. That'd be nice, because, you know, all this has to disappear right now and be done from scratch again. So, it presents a good opportunity to relook at Nvidia. I know a lot of guys out there like to trade this one because it was such a big mover. And, you know, it's made a massive move. To buy at these highs is quite dangerous. Obviously, I don't like to buy after major moves have been created. Let's take a look here. But on the daily chart, yeah, there's nothing sustainable that I like here on the daily chart for a continued long. I wouldn't be focusing on the daily chart. I like the weekly chart. Right? I like the weekly chart. I'm going to draw an area here between 106, 115. That looks pretty decent. If price was to come down here, start shifting momentum to the upside, you can get a good trade there. I think that would be a decent area. So just a couple spots to pay attention to if price was to get down there. Okay. Farmers financial pain spills from Kansas wheat fields. EV maker Fisker files for bankruptcy. South African stock surge hints at sentiment turn after election. Let's see what else we got here. This is who owns the most Alphabet stock besides Larry Page, Sergey Brin, okay, and Eric Schmidt. Google. Let's see what they've been up to. Here we go. Alphabet. Yeah. Looks like some significant buying came in at the 132 area. And that was here. And let's look at the weekly chart. Yeah. No, I don't like the way that this looks here. Not good, in my opinion. Not good. Yeah. I don't like how the weekly chart looks. I'd wait for some kind of a pullback. And then a new foundation to be built on the way up. It doesn't look good the way it is right now. Better passive income vehicle, AT&T versus JP Morgan Nasdaq Equity Premium Income ETF. Let's look into that. I like passive income. I've got a really nice, here it is. When it comes to generating passive income, investors have a wide range of options to choose from, including individual stocks and exchange-traded funds. Two popular choices for income-seeking investors are the telecom stalwart, AT&T. Two popular income-producing. Let's take a look at that one. T. Okay, so their dividend is pretty decent, 6.62%, but the chart is like not that great. The chart is not good at all. We're inside demand, sure. Not very good. Not very good. Not very good. I wouldn't mind getting involved in AT&T down here between 10 and 12 bucks, but from where it's at now, you buy, it looks like it's going to head lower. Yeah. So I don't know. I wouldn't be very much interested in that one. And JP Morgan Nasdaq Equity Premium Income ETF, JPQ, a derivative income vehicle. I'm in this one, and I like it very much so. And look what it's been doing, just straight up. So I'm invested in this one. I'm enjoying it. I'm getting nice monthly income from it, and it's been extremely good for me. So I think that's a good way to bring in a nice income. It's like 8%. Okay. And there's another one that I've mentioned to members that's 11%. Incredible. So nice passive income. You put money in there, you park it, and that's it. Just leave it alone. And you're making 11% a year. Okay. Every month. Every month you're getting a portion of that 11% paid to you. And then I just reinvest it right back inside. Yeah, AT&T dividend yield 6.3, but the stock doesn't look so great. And then this one here, the fund invests in a portfolio of consisting of 97 stocks from the NASDAQ 100 index and sells call options on these holdings to generate additional income. Yeah, great ETF. The best Bitcoin biotech stock to invest in, to invest $1,000 in right now. VKTX. Let's just take a look. VKTX. No, it's in the middle of falling. No, wouldn't do that. Wouldn't do that. Maybe in the $38 area. There's demand down there, but not here. Wouldn't do that. Down 30% in 1 month. Is Celsius stock a buy? CELH. Yeah, we looked at that one not too long ago. Celsius, I remember that. Yeah. Buy zone came into play on the monthly chart. Shot the stock up. And now it's dropping. Monthly demand has already been used. Weekly demand has just been removed. So doesn't look like this stock is going to hold up. Okay. We have compression here, which is a lot of trading at the same price level. Now we could see retracements, but over time it looks like this stock wants to drop. How can we tell that? Because the banks are coming in with more selling than buying. Basically, okay? The banks have more interest in selling the stock than buying the stock. They're not holding it up with new buying. So down 30%, is Celsius stock a buy? Yeah, I would not be thinking about that. 3 Warren Buffett stocks to hold forever. Amazon, Coca-Cola. Yeah, Coca-Cola, I've considered adding that one to my portfolio, but I'm not a huge fan of how it's been moving. Warren Buffett bought down here. Sure, beautiful. But like it's already made its move. It's come down to demand twice. The dividends 3 and 0.12, not the greatest. I don't like the chart. I'm not a huge fan of the chart. You know, yeah, it's upward trending. Demand is in play. It just seems it takes a long time to make a move. I like charts that move. You buy and it goes up. What else we got here? Reflecting on apparel, accessories, and luxury goods stock. I guess GES. Oh, I never looked at that one. Yeah, nothing to really see here. I wouldn't be too interested in this one. Doesn't look great. Highs and lows first watch versus the rest of the sit-down dining stocks. Microchip technology and the rest of the analog semiconductors segments. Kraft Heinz KHC. Let's take a look at this one here. Yeah, this one's where Warren Buffett lost a ton. It's stuck in a range on the monthly chart between supply and demand. Yeah, I wouldn't be buying unless that supply got taken out first. Okay. Stocks are at record highs. Why you should stay invested. Set to why a popular tech ETF is set to sell Apple and buy Nvidia. Apple's a good one. We had a buy signal on this one, and it's been shooting up to the moon ever since. So this one's looking pretty good for a continued move to the upside. Okay. I know there was a lot of talk during the Berkshire Hathaway conference and about why he offloaded so many shares and did he think it was going to drop and all that stuff. But no, that's not anything to be concerned about. This area here was significant buying, okay? Between 159 and 169 was significant buying by large institutions. And so they broke out of that range. Here's the area that they broke it out with. So if price got down to that area, I'd be a buyer. Okay. The 192 to 196 area, I'd be a buyer of Apple stock. So it's looking really good, looking really strong. I like it very much. Okay. Like I said, since our buy zone came into play, it's been nothing but upside. And we gave this to members before it even took off, just to let you know. Okay, let's see. Let's read some of your questions here. Because also will Euro have the possibility to fall a little bit more before making a significant move, like on April 9? Because I see there is a similarity between large lots and small movements to reduce the retail amount. After that, there is a significant movement. We'll talk about that in the Telegram channel. If you're not part of our Telegram channel, you should get in there. Just search for supply and demand trading, and you will find us. Okay. Or you could just go to our website, and there's a link on the bottom of the site. Okay, you can just go to the home page and scroll down to the bottom, and you will find there Telegram. Okay, supply, demand, forex trading. That's how you can find us. All right. If there's nothing else, I think I'll let you guys go. I think that was pretty good generalized market coverage. Just some of the headlines that there are this morning, and hope that was helpful and useful to you. Talked about some names that are doing extremely well, some that we have buy signals on, and some that bring in some really good income on a monthly basis. So hope that was helpful. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will talk to you guys later. Take care, everybody.